In a critical aspect of planning your visit, study, or work in the United Kingdom, the processing times for UK visas can greatly influence your preparations. As the UK government strives to manage applications efficiently, various factors can affect how long it takes to receive a visa. In today's video, we'll explore the current UK visa processing times for October 2024 and the factors that can influence these timelines. This information is essential for anyone looking to travel to the UK. Before we delve into the details, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates on important immigration news. Now, let's get started. Factors affecting visa processing times. Several elements contribute to how long it takes to process a visa application. Understanding these factors can help you plan more effectively. 1. Visa type. Different visa categories have distinct processing timelines. For example, a visitor visa is generally processed faster than a work visa. If you're applying for a student visa, the processing time can vary based on your level of study and the institution. 2. Country of application. The location where you submit your application can significantly influence processing times. Some embassies or visa application centers may experience higher volumes of applications, leading to delays in processing. 3. Time of year. Certain periods, such as peak travel seasons or the beginning of the academic year, can result in longer processing times. If you plan to apply during these busy times, be prepared for potential delays. 4. Completeness of application. Ensuring your application is complete and accurate, with all required documents included, can expedite the processing time. Incomplete applications often lead to delays, so double-check everything before submission. 5. Priority services. For those looking to speed up the process, some visa categories offer priority or super priority services for an additional fee. These services can significantly reduce your waiting time, allowing you to receive a decision much faster. Current visa processing times, October 2024. While exact processing times can vary, here's a general overview for August 2024. 1. Visitor visas. Typically processed within a few weeks. However, during peak travel seasons, processing times may extend. 2. Student visas. Expect processing times of several weeks, depending on your study level and institution. 3. Work visas. These often take longer due to comprehensive checks. The specific duration will depend on the visa category and employer sponsorship. 4. Family visas. Applications can take several weeks to months, particularly if complex family relationships are involved. Always refer to the UK government's official website for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding your specific visa category. Preparing for your visa application. By understanding the factors that influence visa processing times and following these tips, you can improve your chances of a smooth application process. It's crucial to stay informed about any unexpected circumstances, such as increased application volumes or internal processing challenges. While many restrictions have eased, it's wise to check for any ongoing implications related to the pandemic that could affect your application. Planning and preparation are essential when applying for a UK visa. By allowing ample time for the process and being well organized, you can enhance your chances of a successful application. Thank you for watching until the end. Please use the comment section to share your thoughts and experiences regarding UK visa processing times. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest developments in immigration policies. Take care, and see you next time.